is your captain speaking. Take your seat. We're approaching Jassi. Oh, what a treat! We're about to land in 3, 2, 1. Planet Jassi, here we come.
Hi superstars, welcome to Jassi's Groovy Foodies. From all of us at Planet Jassi, we would love to wish you a very happy Easter. To celebrate this occasion, we are going to make chocolate bursts. So let's hop to it. You will need a measuring cup, cupcake tray, saucepan, cooking spray, chocolate melts, fried noodles, speckled eggs, and peanut butter. You may even like to get creative with your packaging. So today I'm going to put mine in a noodle box. And I've also added some stickers to it as well and some shredded paper tissue inside. Our next step is to pour our chocolate melt in a 3/4 of our cup. Okay, so now we're going to add our chocolate melts into the saucepan and our peanut butter as well. And then we're going to stir it all combined. Remove the saucepan from the heat. And then we're going to add our fried noodles into our mixture. And then we're going to stir that too, so they can bind, all combined in. Just like what I'm doing. It can be a bit tough, so you might need some help. Alright, so now we're going to divide our mixture into our tray, but only just use 1 spoonful. Just like that. Now you're going to place them into the fridge so they can set. So allow your bird's nest to set in the fridge for at least an hour, and maybe try not to eat the speckled eggs because they go on top. Take your bird's nest out of the fridge. Scoop out the bird's nest and be careful because we don't want to break them. I'm going to give these bird's nests to friends for Easter, and I'm going to put them in colourful noodle boxes. I'm going to place them into my noodle box for delivery. Be really careful when you place it in. There we go. Hope you enjoy making your bird's nest superstars. Happy Easter, everybody!
Go to planetjassi.com.au. Produced by Jigsaw Autism Services.